Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to share with you custom component tip. This is the custom component which I have already created. Let me go to edit custom component. I just want to move these stiffener plates along the member. So I just have to bind the handles. One method is I can directly bind the plate handles to the component plane, but I don't prefer this. Let me show you what happens if you do it. I'm selecting all the handles by pressing the Alt key, right click, bind to plane, and you can see the option is component plane here. Once you select the component plane, it will automatically create the variables. So click display variables to open this window. You can see now. And now you have to either change all the variables, or you can assign the first variables to all the other variables. For example, let me take D2 equal to D1 and then copy and paste the formula. So if I change D1, it will automatically change the values of other variables. So this is one method, but I would rather prefer to create the construction plane, which makes my job much easier. Let me delete these ones. And I'm going to create the construction plane exactly on the plate handles. So this is the tool to create the construction plane. This is my first point, second point, and third point. Now you can see I'm actually picking the reference points here. Now I'm going to assign the construction plane to the component plane. Select the construction plane and then select all the handles, right click, bind to plane, and pick the component plane. If you go to the display variables, you can see here. Let me change D2 equal to D1. Hide these two variables and change the label name to offset. And the next method, what I would do is I will bind the plate handles to the construction plane, so that if I change this value, the plate will also move along with the construction plane. So let me select the two plates and select all the handles and change this option to cut plane. Cut plane will also consider the construction plane. So right click, bind to plane, and pick the construction plane. You can see all these options are 0 because plates and construction plane both are at the same position. So you don't have to assign the variables now. For example, if I change the value of D1, the plate also moves along with the construction plane. So I would highly recommend you to start using the construction plane when you create the custom component. Let me close this. Once you double click, so now you can see and modify. Once you close the custom component dialog box and come back to the model, when you make those changes, by default, it will not show the construction plane. And thank you for watching this video.